Welcome everyone. Welcome to Sergi. And today we are going to learn about the free file indexing tool for your PC. And if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you. So we are going to tune our desktop. Let me go to there. So the name of this tool is Everything. Everything is an official product of voidtools.com, so you can download any of the latest version from there, and I will recommend it and then that go to their official website and download it, because from alternative way it can maybe old version and will ask for update. So you may go to this official website www.voidtools.com, and product name is Everything. I have 64-bit operating system, that's why it is showing me x64. And let us check it, that how to use it properly. So for example, I'm going to search any file that is made in Excel, so EXCEL. So it is showing each and every file and folder that includes word EXCEL Excel. So okay, so let me search about XLSX, XLS and X, and let me put dot. So here you can see 26 templates Excel, 26 template Excel. It is located in XAMPP, and it is so these are my file locations. Here we can see that where are they located, and we can choose if for example I did not remember that what I had made in PHP. So let me say dot PHP. It will show me each and every file that has dot PHP word. So dot channel dot sorry, it is in XAMPP, and here you can see that about dot PHP and some my practice files are here. So as you can see that the tool is useful. For example, I am using dot rar, so they will show all the raw files, compressed files that are located in my PC. So let me choose another one, dot zip, zip, and it is not it doesn't require any kind of um, just like as we can say um, enter or etc. Just searching with typing, so it is pretty useful for me. And here we can set, edit, view, and also apply some kind of filter according to your need, and search, match case, match whole word, match path, and including all the files are useful and are free of cost. So as you can see, we can type any word in here, and it will find out it in our PC. For example, dot mp4, but it is not important that I am putting with dot. uh, just like I have some series of how to, so how, sorry, how to. So it is showing me all my files that are with the name of how to. And for example, I'm only searching for videos such as .mp4, so .mp4. And as you can see, here are some videos that also have these words as I put it in the search bar, that how to and .mp4. So it is pretty useful. You can download it, check it again. Okay. And as I told you, I have 64-bit operating system. And if you are unable to find your operating system, that how to check it, so right click on my computer or this PC, and check on click on property, and it will show you that your operating system type is 86-bit or 64-bit. So thank you for joining us, and if you found this video useful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.